In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to your Webflow Workspace, whether you're collaborating with a client or working with a team on a project. Being able to invite guests smoothly is an essential skill. So let's get started and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to Webflow's website. Open your browser and go to webflow.com. This is where you'll find the tools you need to build and manage your site visually with Webflow's intuitive interface. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your Webflow account. If you haven't logged in for some time, it's a good idea to ensure your login details are current to avoid any hiccups along the way. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your main hub where all the sites you're working on are easily accessible. From the dashboard, look for the Sites tab. Clicking on this will allow you to see all the projects you currently have within your workspace. With your list of sites in front of you, your next stop is the Team section. You can find this section also on the dashboard. Clicking on Team is critical in managing who has access to your workspace. Here you get an overview of the current team members and their roles. Understanding this setup is key, especially when collaborating on larger projects that require multiple contributors. Once you're in the Team section, you'll see an option for Members. Click on it to view the current members of your workspace. This area allows you to manage member permissions and see who has access to what in your team. Understanding these roles is important to maintain an organized workflow. To add new people to your team, you'll want to look for the Invite Member button. Clicking on this opens up the invitation process. Here, you simply input the email addresses of the individuals you want to invite, and they'll receive an invitation to join your Webflow workspace. Make sure that the email addresses are correct to ensure a smooth invitation process. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage who has access to your projects, making your Webflow experience more organized and collaborative. Inviting guests to your Webflow workspace is a straightforward process, and with this guide, you should be set to add team members with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.